Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 11th, 2024, and we're diving into Monday.com's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Monday.com's performance, especially as they continue to make significant strides in the work management software space.
Absolutely. Monday.com has just released their Q3 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Monday.com reported a revenue of $251 million for the third quarter, marking a 33% increase year over year. John, what does this tell us about the company's growth trajectory?
This is a strong indicator of Monday.com's robust growth. The 33% year-over-year increase in revenue highlights their ability to scale and capture market share effectively. Their focus on expanding product capabilities and customer base is clearly paying off.
And in terms of profitability, they reported a non-GAAP operating income of $32.2 million. How does this compare to their previous performance?
It's a solid improvement. The non-GAAP operating income increased from $24 million in the same quarter last year. This reflects their operational efficiencies and strategic investments in growth areas. Additionally, their non-GAAP EPS is a significant jump from 68 last year, showcasing enhanced profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the positive revenue growth, Monday.com reported a GAAP operating loss of $27.4 million. Can you explain this discrepancy, John?
Certainly. The GAAP operating loss is primarily due to high operating expenses, including significant investments in R&D and sales and marketing. However, it's important to note that their net cash provided by operating activities was $86.6 million, and they generated $82.4 million in free cash flow, indicating strong cash management.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Monday.com in the next quarter?
Monday.com has provided a revenue guidance of $260 million to $262 million for Q4, which represents a year-over-year growth of 28% to 29%. They are also projecting a non-GAAP operating income of $29 million to $31 million, which suggests continued focus on scaling efficiently.
Strategic initiatives and leadership changes. Monday.com has surpassed $1 billion in annual recurring revenue, a significant milestone. What does this mean for the company, John?
Surpassing $1 billion in ARR is a testament to Monday.com's strong market position and customer retention. Their net dollar retention rate of 111% indicates that existing customers are expanding their usage, which is a positive sign for future growth.
There have also been some leadership changes. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, Adi Dar has been appointed as the new COO, bringing over 20 years of experience in driving growth for technology companies. Meanwhile, Yoni Osharov, the Chief Revenue Officer, will be stepping down at the end of December. These changes are part of Monday.com's strategy to strengthen their leadership team as they continue to expand globally.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 4 cents for this quarter. How did Monday.com perform in comparison?
Monday.com significantly outperformed expectations with a non-GAAP EPS of 90. This is a substantial beat, indicating that the company is not only growing, but also managing its costs effectively to enhance profitability.
With only 2 analysts covering the stock, what does this mean for investor sentiment?
The significant EPS beat could attract more analyst coverage and investor interest, potentially leading to a positive reevaluation of the stock. It shows that Monday.com is executing well beyond market expectations.
Key takeaways. In summary, Monday.com has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. They've surpassed $1 billion in ARR and provided optimistic guidance for the next quarter. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Monday.com is well positioned for continued growth with strong fundamentals and strategic leadership. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and maintain high retention rates makes them an attractive investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Monday.com's performance in the comments below.